Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've got went on the Facebook marketplace and I found a 55-pound thrust transom trolling motor. A guy in my club sent me a link, and shout out to Dan Fitzpatrick. We got a 55-pound thrust transom trolling motor in like perfect condition. $100. Beautiful. Okay guys, so now we're here at the car wash where there's some lights so I can show you what we got going on. So far we've sanded the bench seat all the way around. We did some of this, pulled some of these letters up. Looks like a PA 327 something. We've sanded all this paint off. Put the outboard on here. 725 Game Fisher that I rebuilt that you haven't seen yet, and I put on the 55-pound thrust on the back. So we've got that tag team here going, yeah, and we've sanded all this. You saw that in the previous video. We got new safety chain here. We got some new safety chains down here. Got our third leg. Oh, and look at that. We almost lost our entire trailer here, our entire boat. This is broke driving down the road. Glad that happened right down the street here. Oh, good. It's a good find right now. All right, guys. A little update for you from that video I was showing you. The handle had broken, and so our repair is in. We got a new whatever we call this, eye for our boat, and we installed it right here. And that hole there is where it fit. The handle failed. Let's see, that's where it failed, the handle, old handle. But we installed a new eye, and she's in good shape now. She ain't going anywhere.